how to add a second Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. How to create a new Gmail email account. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and this might be your first Gmail account or your second, third, it doesn't really matter. All you want to go ahead and do is go ahead to just press Gmail, or you can go ahead and press sign in. So we'll press Gmail, and then you're going to have a sign in option, but that's not to create an account. So what you want to do is press create an account right here. Now you want to switch it for personal use or work or business, but we're going to do personal use. And then all you want to do is type in your first name. You don't have to type in your last name. Obviously enter in date of birth, but just make sure it's obviously correct and everything. So once you go ahead and do that, select your gender, go ahead and press next, and then you can choose your username. So we can just do something like this, and then all you're going to do is press next. But if it's not allowed, then obviously you just type in whatever you want, and then go ahead and press next, and it's going to ask you to create a password, and then your account is going to be made. And yeah, it's as simple as that.